What's up, y'all? It's back with another video. I got my friend running this his channel, but
by the way, this is my channel, not his.
yeah.
We finna do a challenge. Whoever can run the farthest. And by the way, it's raining. The rain is cold right now. Dang, that's cold. And go ahead and go, buddy.
Okay.
Dude, I can run way faster now. What is you talking about? Way farther. Oh, there you go. Now hold the camera.
Ran that fast?
Hold it the other way now.
Yeah. 2, 1, go. Nigga running slow as hell. This nigga stupid. Look how slow that nigga running. Nigga run slow. Nigga run slow. Sad. What the fuck this nigga? Damn. Damn. Nigga almost got hit by post. Nigga slipping and shit. Damn. Damn. Oh. Oh. It was just started storming on us or something. Alright, peace.